Welcome. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Book4, and in this video I will show you how to toggle fast BIOS mode on this laptop. To do this, you have to turn your device on by pressing the power button once, and to enter BIOS, start repeatedly pressing F2 key until you see the BIOS menu on your screen. And once you see the BIOS menu, open the boot option right here, and then to toggle the fast BIOS mode, switch this toggle to the right to turn it off or to the left to turn it on. To apply changes, press F10 and OK, and then wait for the device to reboot. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.